Let us learn. We have learned some properties relating to a circle and points as well as lines, tangent. Now let us learn some properties regarding circle and angles. Inscribed angle. An angle is said to be inscribed angle in an arc of a circle if the vertex of the angle is on the arc other than the endpoints and end the endpoints of the arc on the side of the angle. In the given figure, angle ABC is an angle inscribed in the arc ABC. The arc in which the given angle is inscribed is shown by the highlighted curve line. In this figure, vertex of angle ABC, that is B, lie on a curve ABC. Ray AB, the end point of curve A, lie on line, and ray BC, point C, end point of the curve is lie on C. Hence, and vertex is lie on a curve. Hence, this angle is inscribed with reference to arc ABC. The condition is vertex of that angle lie on a curve, but that will be not the end point of curve, and every side of angle are only one end point on that side. In this figure, there is one arc and one angle. If you consider together, then we will find that vertex of this angle is lie on a curve, but the vertex is not the end point of that curve. Every side of this angle is contain the only one point end point of the curve. Hence, this angle is said to be inscribed angle with this curve. Inscribed angle C is the center of a circle. The vertex D of angle PDQ lies on the circle. The arm of angle PDQ intersect the circle at A and B. Such angle is called an angle inscribed in the circle or in the arc. Angle ADB is inscribed in the arc ADB. Intercepted arc. Given an arc of the circle and angle, if each side of the angle contain an end point of the arc and all points except the endpoints of the arc in the interior of the angle, then the arc is said to be intercepted arc by the angle. In this figure, angle ABC and arc AC, that is minor arc AC, if we consider together, then we will find that end point of AC, that is A and C, except this point, all point of curve are inside the angle ABC, and endpoint of this arc, at least one point are on the arm of angle AB, that is point A and point C, that are the endpoint of this curve, and every point of this curve are in this given figure an arc of the circle and an angle. Each side of angle contain an end point of the arc, and all points except the end points of the arc are in the interior of the angle. Hence, arc is said to be intercepted by the angle. Every point of arc that is interior point of angle ABC except point end point A and C. There are two end points. At least one end point must be on arm of angle ABC. Then this arc is said to be intercepted by angle ABC. In this figure, there is a circle and one is angle. If we consider angle and this curve, this angle and this curve, except the end point, all point of arc are interior of the angle, and end point lie on arm of the angle, at least one point. Hence, regarding this arc and angle, we can say that this arc is intercepted arc by this angle. In second condition, this arc and angle, if we consider end point of this curve, instead of that, all point except end point of the curve are interior part of the angle, and every side of the angle contain at least one end point. Hence, this arc also called as a intercepted arc. Now we consider this arc except end point of this curve. All points of the curve are not interior part of this angle. Hence, this curve is not intercepted arc. Now consider this curve. This curve also not intercepted arc because point on the curve are not interior of this angle. In this figure, these two arcs are anticipator arc and this arc is not intercepted arcs. This arc also intercepted arc. This left hand side curve arc is not intercepted arc, but right hand side arc is intercepted arc. In this figure, there is no intercepted arc because every arm of angle is not contain at least one end point of the curve. Hence, this is not the example of intercepted arc. In this figure, these are two curves. These two curves are intercepted arc because except end point of this curve, all point of this curve are interior point of this angle and every arm is contain at least one end point of this arc. Hence, these two arcs are also intercepted arc.